What's up everybody, welcome back to yet another unboxing video. Before we start, little disclaimer, I do not promote or encourage you to go and buy whatever I show in my videos, replicas, fakes. I just do unboxings, reviews. I'm just showing you the items. I got this package today. I didn't really expect to see because the seller sent it and then he gave me two wrong track numbers, so it wasn't tracking, and he didn't really respond after that, so I didn't really know if it's on the way or not. But I got it. It took 3 weeks to come. He sent it on the 16th of April. Today is 6th of May, which is pretty good considering the situation in the world at the moment. These are Adidas YEEZY Boost 700 V3s ALVAH. The retail price on these $200. They were released on the 11th of April. This is the package. So let's see. Very well protected box, as you can see. ALVAH, UK 10, US 11. I will put them on at the end of the video, so make sure you stick around till the end. So that's the box. So that's the shoes. So these don't have boost in them, which is going to be interesting to see how they feel. Adidas. This side. Let me smell. They smell just like every other shoes, pretty much. That's the other one. This should be glowing. I will try that and see if that's true. Guys, let me know if you see anything wrong with the shoes. If you can tell they're replica. Looking at the details, the shoe made pretty well. Oops. Feels good. Let me check out the insole. That's the insole. Adidas. the inside. Pretty solid shoe, well made. I'm curious, let me try to put them on. Because I've seen some reviews and they said that it's quite difficult to put your feet inside. Which colorway you prefer, guys? The Hazel, or this one? My bones are cracking. Feels good, actually. Alright. So I prefer the first version of this, the Hazel, but this one is, you know, I start liking them. Actually, you know, on feet they look pretty good and feel comfortable. They look pretty futuristic. So yeah, guys, if you like the video, leave a like, subscribe, because why not? And I will see you in the next one. Peace.
Rio.